The biggest thing that I've got from it so far is understanding business. Obviously, Joseph always says plumbers create plumbing companies, electricians create electrician companies, and builders build houses. He's spot on, because it's the business side of things and how you can put things in processes in place to actually allow your company to run in a way that is more efficient. What's good is everyone is at a different stage of the development, because when you first put money towards what you're doing, you sort of sit there and you think, oh, is it going to work? And then you sort of see how people are getting on.
We sold 28 boilers last year and we should do 11 this month.
This week alone, I've sold £20,000 worth of boilers
20
from
grand
that.
this week. And you can sort of helps you push towards that. You've also got the community, which is a big support. Listening to other people's questions allows you to go, oh, actually, I wish I'd have even thought about that, let alone asked it. So you're then actually tapping into other people's ideas and issues before they've even become your issue. The thing is, it's good because you haven't got some sort of bloke that sort of stood on a pedestal that sort of sits there and he talks at you and you sit there and think, all right then mate, you don't know what you're talking about. Paul, he is an ex-plumber. He understands that it's a weird process for us to actually set everything that he comes in with and go, this is how you should do it. It works because I did it. My end game now, if you'd have asked me this when I first started, my end game was to keep working until I can't work and then go from there. But now I've decided that I've got my exit strategy. By doing that, it allows me to have more time with my children, and it also allows me to sort of have different avenues that I thought would never even be in my grasp.